step into the 2013 Ram 2500 Laramie. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include power steering, passenger adjustable lumbar, passenger illuminated visor mirror, power folding mirrors, telematics, fog lamps, Bluetooth connection, and driver vanity mirror. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.